I'm Sim Dowdy, and I'm president of King Industrial Realty, and this is the King Industrial Realty Industrial Report for the Atlanta distribution market for the second quarter of 2015. At King Industrial Realty, we track the industrial market ourselves by physically taking inventory every 90 days or every quarter. At the present time, the Atlanta industrial market has a total of over 654 million square feet. Currently, there's just over 91 million square feet available, which is a 14% availability rate, the lowest it's been since the fourth quarter of 2000. Activity continues to be strong. During the second quarter alone, the Atlanta distribution market set a single quarter record for activity with over 18.2 million square feet leased or sold. When added to the previous three quarters, Atlanta had the second highest recorded for the last four quarters, over 59.6 million square feet. With such outstanding activity, net absorption was also able to continue its strong run as well. The second quarter had over 6.3 million square feet of positive net absorption, which was the 13th quarter in a row of positive net absorption. When added to the previous three quarters of absorption, the Atlanta market enjoyed its third highest number ever for a four-quarter period with over 19.7 million square feet of positive net absorption. New construction in Atlanta continues to be a big story. During the second quarter, the distribution market set a single quarter record with over 7 million square feet of new construction, 60% build-to-suit, 40% spec construction. There was over 18.8 million square feet of new construction during the past four quarters, 60% spec, 40% build-to-suit. You would have to go back to 1998 to see a higher level of new construction in Atlanta. Over the past 8 years, new construction levels have been at all-time lows, which means that the next generation state-of-the-art high-tech buildings were not being built, creating an undersupply of these facilities. Fortune 500 type companies have been creating a high demand for these type of buildings as they continue to expand their business operations in the Atlanta area. Lenders are back in a big way, as developers are now able to obtain 65% non-recourse financing for spec construction. When you add the fact that the investment market is cap rate compressed, which means all-time high selling prices, developers want to build spec buildings as fast as they can, lease them as fast as they can, hopefully to a credit tenant, and then sell them in the hot investment market while it's still hot at record high sales prices. So to summarize the last four quarters in the Atlanta industrial distribution market, 59.6 million square feet of activity, second highest ever recorded. 19.8 million square feet of positive net absorption, third highest ever recorded. 18.8 million square feet of new construction, the highest recorded since 1998. 60% of that was spec construction. Sublease space is only 4.5% of the available space, so we can expect upward pressure on rental rates in the future. The lending environment is definitely improved and interest rates continue to be low and favorable. Unemployment rates are declining, however wages have not kept pace, so the public still has less buying power. We have an improving housing market, but it still has a ways to go. The U.S. economy has been in a slow growth mode for some time now, and we believe it will continue at a slow pace, but we also believe it will improve over time. This has been the King Industrial Realty Industrial Report for the Atlanta distribution market for the second quarter of 2015. Thanks for watching.